Good afternoon, World History Cardinals. All right, I'm setting up the video right now to prepare you for the exam tomorrow. The exam is going to be in Mastery Connect. Mastery Connect is where the exam will be. Let me give you a glimpse. And I'm going to go to the trackers. The blocks are here. Block 1, regular. Block 1, full remote academy. Block 3, regular. And then block 3, full remote academy. That part has nothing to do with you, but I wanted to click in one area so you guys could all get your codes. Yes, I'm giving you your codes in advance. It's not that I want you to go to it, it's just I want you to have it in your notes. I want you to just have it in your notes. All right, this is for block 1 regular class. This is not the full remote academy. Your code is 710591. 710591, and you would access that at this address. But again, I don't want you to do this yet. All right, the next class, Block 1, Full Remote Academy. Your code is 205520. For Block 1, Full Remote Academy, your exam code is 205520. Let's go to Block 3, regular class. The names are over here on the side if you need to check, but I have to move that. You can always pause this camera if needed. The code for Block 3, only the regular class, is 247431. 247431. And the test ID and email are right here. And then the last block is Block 3, Full Remote Academy. I hope y'all know by now who's who and what. And here is your code, 340369. 340369. All right, here's the deal. I know y'all like to help each other out a lot, but I really need y'all to kind of hold off on that, because this kind of needs to be a reward for the people who follow the directions and actually look at the pre-recorded videos. So I'm going back to the home page, and I'm just letting you know that I gave you guys a Quizlet link today, and I hope you remember it. If you study that Quizlet link, and I'm going to quickly do this. I mean, quickly do this. Try to give you that link again. So you should be able to see it. Hopefully you guys can see it up here. Right there. I'll copy the link and I'll put it on your home page. I'll do that for you. If you study that Quizlet link, you should make an A on the exam. If you copy that, you should make an A on the exam. All right, there it is right there for you. Hopefully you see it. It says Study Guide Unit 1. Click Save. All right, some of you are the lucky winners. If you see this and it's not time, do me a favor. Don't tell everybody else. Don't share with anybody else. Just take advantage of the gift. All right. See you in the morning, Lord willing.